Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 2BM. The running topic is circles. Already last class 11 class are completed. Now 12th class. Okay na? See the 12th class. Okay. See here. Third bit second question. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercept 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Find the equation of circle passing through which one, sir? 0, 0 and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis. Intercept means, so observe this one. Like this one, a circle touches the x-axis. In how many points are here? 2 points. A, this is nothing but x-intercept. And also circle touches intersect like this one. This is the y-intercept. Okay, now. So this circle touches the y-axis 2 points. This is called y-intercept. Here x-intercept is 4, y-intercept is 3. But this is the common circle and the circle passing through which one, sir? 0, 0. Okay, now. See here, like this one. This is the coordinate system. Origin. Okay, now. This is which one, sir? X-axis. This is which one? Y-axis. The required circle passing through the origin. The required circle passing through the origin. Like this one. The required circle passing through the origin and making x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is 4. Y-intercept is 3m. What is the coordinates of O? 0, 0. X-intercept is 4. Y-intercept is 3 is given. Okay, now. And also required circle passing through 0, 0. See the solution. Let here s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle equation. Required circle equation. This is we are taking the equation 1. Required circle equation. That is the equation 1. Okay, now. See here. So equation 1 passes through which points are equation 1 passes through which point? 0, 0. Equation 1 passes through 0, 0. That's why in this equation we are substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We are substituting in this equation x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. We are substituting. That is nothing but 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. Totally 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. Totally what we are getting, sir? C is equal to 0. Okay, now. And what is given, sir? X-intercept is what is given, sir? 4. Y-intercept is what is given, 3. So and also we are writing given x-intercept. X-intercept is nothing but 4. And also y-intercept is given. Y-intercept. What is the y-intercept, sir? 3. X-intercept is 4. Y-intercept is 3. So we have the formula is there. X-intercept is equal to formula. X-intercept is 4. Y-intercept is 3. Here x-intercept is equal to formula 2 into under root of g square minus c is equal to 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Under root of g square minus c is equal to what is the value? 2. C is equal to what is the value, sir? 0. Under root of g square minus 0 is equal to 2. Observe this one. Under root of g square is equal to 2. Here we are doing squaring on both sides, sir. Here what we are getting? G square is equal to 4. Here g is equal to plus or minus 2. G square is equal to 4. G is equal to plus or minus 2. Same concept here also we are applying. Y intercept. What is the y intercept, sir? 2 into under root of f square minus c. X intercept is nothing but 2 into under root of g square minus c. Y intercept is nothing but 2 into under root of f square minus c. Y intercept what is given, sir? 3 is given. So under root of f square minus c is equal to 3 by 2. Under root of f square minus c is equal to what is the value? 3 by 2. Okay now? So see here, c is equal to what is the value of c, sir? 0. Under root of f square minus 0 is equal to 3 by 2. Here also we are doing squaring on both sides. Here what we are getting, sir? F square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9 by 2 square is equal to 4. F square is equal to 9 by 4. F is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. F is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Here observe this one. Substituting which one, sir? Here substitute G is equal to plus or minus 2. G is equal to plus or minus 2. Here F is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. F is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0 in equation 1. So we are getting the required circle equation. What is the equation 1, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle equation. We are substituting that equation. X square plus y square plus 2 into g is equal to plus or minus 2 into x. 2 into f is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2 into y plus c is equal to 0. Here 2 cancel. X square plus y square is equal to plus or minus 4x. Here plus or minus 3y is equal to 0. Be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. X square plus y square plus or minus 4x plus or minus 3y is equal to 0 be the required circle equation. Okay now? All of you note down this one first clearly. All of you note down. See here, this problem, same type problem, do this problem homework. See the next question. Same, second question, this is the second one, third bit, second question, second one. Do this problem homework. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercept 6 units on x-axis and intercept 4 units on y-axis. Previous problem, this problem, both are same. Do this problem homework. See here, this is also circle passing through which one, sir? 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0. Here x intercept what is there? 6. Y intercept what is the value, sir? 4. Passing through 0, 0. Passing through 0, 0. Do this problem homework. Okay, now previous problem, this problem both are same. Same as it is. Do this problem must and should homework. Okay, now. Here, see the next question, Amma. Okay, see this problem. This is very, very important for essay type question, Amma. Concyclic problems. Concyclic means, so, see here, this is the circle is there. The 4 vertices of a quadrilateral lies on this circle. Here, A, B, C, D. Okay, now, the 4 vertices of this quadrilateral lies on which ones are this circle, These 4 points A, B, C, D. These 4 points are called concyclic points. Okay, now these 4 points are called which ones are concyclic points. Okay, now these 4 points are called concyclic points. Okay, now see here. So now what is our question, sir? Prove that these 4 points are concyclic and find the equation of circle on which they lie. Find the equation of circle on which they lie. Understand? See here, how to show the 4 points are concyclic on which they lie means, first we are finding the equation of circle passing through the 3 points we are finding. The equation of circle passing through the 3 points. In that case, we are getting one circle equation. The 4th point we are substituting in the circle equation. If we satisfy the circle equation, given 4 points are concyclic. Otherwise, non-concyclic. Okay now? So see here, first we are taking which one, sir? Equation of circle passing through the 3 points. Here third bit first question, there are 4 problems are there, both are same problems. This problem very important for long type question. Here 1, 1 minus 6, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 8. See the solution. Given points A is equal to 1, 1, B is equal to minus 6, 0, C is equal to minus 2, 2, D is equal to minus 2, minus 8. Let we are taking, let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 be the required circle equation. Be the required circle equation. This is we are taking equation 1. First we are finding equation of circle passing through the 3 points. First we are finding equation of circle passing through the 3 points. Okay now, this is the required circle equation. Okay now, see here, this is the required circle equation. This is clear. So here equation 1 passes through. Equation 1 passes through which points are? Here A of 1, 1. Equation 1 passes through which point? A of 1, 1. So see here, equation 1 passes through A of 1, 1. So then we can write, see here, in this equation x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Here 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into x is equal to 1. Here 2f into y is equal to 1 plus c is equal to 0. 1 square is equal to 1. Here 1 plus 1, what is the value, sir? 2. 2g into 1, 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. Here we can write 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to, there is plus 2 is there, plus 2 we are taking right side, minus 2. This is we are taking equation 2. And also here equation 1 passes through. Equation 1 passes through. Here b is equal to, what is the value? Minus 6, 0. Equation 1 passes through, b is equal to minus 6, 0. In the same equation 1 we are substituting x is equal to 6, so y equal to 0. Here minus 6 whole square plus y is equal to 0, 0 square. Here 2g into x is equal to minus 6 plus 2f into y is equal to 0 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 6 whole square 36 plus 0. 2g into minus 6 minus 12g. 2f into 0, 0 plus c is equal to 0. Totally minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. Minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. This is we are taking equation 3. And also see here equation 1 passes through. Equation 1 passes through. What is the third point, sir? C is equal to minus 2, 2. Equation 1 passes through, c is equal to minus 2, 2. That's why in this equation 1 we are substituting x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2. Here minus 2 whole square plus y is equal to 2 square. Here 2g into x is equal to which one, sir? Minus 2 plus 2f into y is equal to 2 plus c is equal to 0. Observe this one, in this equation x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. 2 square, 2g into minus 2, 2f into 2 plus c. 2 minus 2 whole square 4 plus 4. 2g into minus 2 minus 4g. 2f into 2, whatever, sir? 4f plus c is equal to 0. 4 plus 4, 8. Here minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. Minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. This is we are taking equation 4. Okay, na? This is the equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Next, first we are doing here equation 2 minus equation 3 we are doing. Equation 2 minus equation 3. Okay, na? Equation 2, what is it, sir? 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 2. 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. What is the equation 3? Minus 12g plus c is equal to minus 36. Here minus 12g. There is no f term. That's why we are writing 0 plus c is equal to what is the value? Minus 36. Okay, na? So we are subtracting. That's why signs will be changed. Minus minus plus. Here minus 0 minus c plus 36. Here plus c minus c cancel. 2g plus 12g. Whatever, sir? 14g. 2g plus 12g. 14g. 2f minus 0 is equal to whatever, sir? Plus 2f is equal to plus 36 minus 2. Whatever, 34. This all the terms we can take the common. 2 is the common value. 2 we are taking common. Remaining value 7g plus f is equal to 34. 2 1 are 2 17 is 7g plus f is equal to whatever, sir? 17. 7g plus f is equal to 17. This is the equation 5. So already we done equation 2 minus equation 3. Next we are doing equation 2 minus equation 4. Here equation 2 minus equation 4. That implies what is the equation 2? 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. What is the equation 4? What is the equation 4? Minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 8. Here minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equal to what is the value? Minus 8. Okay, na? So here we are doing also subtracting. That's why signs will be changed. Plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus. Here what we are getting, sir? 4g plus 2g 6g. Here plus 2f minus 4f. What is the value? Minus 2f plus c minus c cancel is equal to plus 8 minus 2. Whatever, sir? Plus 6. 6g minus 2f is equal to 6. Here we can take the common. 2 is the common value. 2 we are taking common. Remaining value 3g minus f is equal to 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Totally 3g minus f is equal to 3. 3g minus f is equal to 3. This is we are taking equation 6. Now we are solving equation 5 and equation 6. We get the which one, sir? G comma f values. Okay, now first all of you write down this is clearly. Okay, see here now we are continuing. Now we are solving equation 5 and 6. So plus f is there, minus f is there. That's why we are doing equation 5 plus equation 6. Equation 5 plus equation 6. Equation 5 7g plus f is equal to what is the value? 17. What is the equation 6? 3g minus f is equal to what is the value? 3. We are adding these two equations. Plus f minus f cancel. 7g plus 3g, what is the value? 10g is equal to 17 plus 3, what is the value? 20. Here g is equal to 20 by 10. 0 0 cancel. Here g is equal to 2. G is equal to 2. Substitute g is equal to 2 in equation 5 or equation 6. I am substituting in equation 6. Substitute. So g is equal to 2 in equation which one, sir? 6. What is the equation 6? 3g minus f is equal to 3. 3 into g is equal to what is the value, sir? 2 minus f is equal to what is the value? 3. So 6 minus f is equal to 3. Therefore f is equal to 6 minus 3. Here f is equal to what is the value, sir? 3. F is equal to 3. So g is equal to f is equal to 3. Substituting g is equal to 3, f is equal to 2 in equation 2. Okay na? Next we are doing substitute which one, sir? So substitute g is equal to 2 comma f is equal to 3 in equation 2. What is the equation 2, sir? Here 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2. That is the equation 2. Okay na? Now we are substituting in this equation. Okay na? 2 into g is equal to what is the value, sir? 2 plus 2 into f is equal to what is the value? 3 plus c is equal to which one, sir? Minus 2. Here 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 3 6 plus c is equal to minus 2. Here 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus c is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2 minus 10. C is equal to which one, sir? Minus 12. Okay now? Here substituting which one, sir? G is equal to 2 comma f is equal to what is the value? 3. C is equal to minus 12 in equation 1. What is the equation 1, sir? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. So in this equation we are substituting g is equal to 2, f is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 12. Here x square plus y square 2 into g is equal to 2 into x, 2 into f is equal to 3 into y plus c. C is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 12 equal to 0. That is nothing but x square plus y square 2 into 2x 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. C is the required circle. So these 3 points A comma B comma C, these 3 points lies on this circle. Okay na? See here now we are substituting the fourth point in the circle equation. Okay na? So we are substituting the fourth point in the circle equation. If it is satisfying the circle equation, the given 4 points are concyclic. If it is not satisfying the equation, the given 4 points are not concyclic. First all of you write down up to this step. Okay? Write down up to this step. Next see here. Substituting which one, sir? So substitute which ones are here? D is equal to minus 2 comma minus 8 in S is equal to 0 equation. In this equation we are substituting x is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 2, y is equal to minus 8. Here minus 2 whole square, y is equal to minus 8 whole square. 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12. So minus 2 whole square 4, 8 square 64, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 6 into minus 8 minus 48 minus 12. So 64 plus 4, 68. Here 48 minus 12, 60 minus 8 minus 68. Here 68 minus 68. These two values are cancelled is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2 comma minus 8 lies on which one, sir? S is equal to 0. Therefore given points what are they, sir? A is equal to 1 comma 1, B is equal to minus 6 comma 0, C is equal to minus 2 comma 2, D is equal to which one, sir? Minus 2 comma minus 8 are concyclic. See here, this is the required circle equation and the required circle is, So in our question there are two problems are there. Find the circle equation also there. Required circle S is equal to what is it, sir? X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. Okay now? So all are you write down carefully, and this problem very very important for essay type question. Okay now? Tomorrow I will explain again one type of same type. So try to do one problem homework. I am giving one problem homework first. So see the next one. Same type question. Before problem and this problem both are same. So one problem, first problem completed. Third question, second one. This is show that the following 4 points in each of the following are concyclic and find the equation of circle on which they lie. Okay na? See here 1 comma minus 6, 5 comma 2, 7 comma 0, minus 1 comma minus 4. We are showing these 4 points concyclic comma. As it is previous problem and this problem both are same. First we are taking find the circle equation of the passing through the 3 points. Okay now? So the fourth point substituting in that circle equation. If it is satisfying the circle equation, given 4 points are concyclic. If it not satisfying the circle equation, given 4 points are non-concyclic. Okay now? So thank you students. Next class will be continued tomorrow. Do this problem homework. Try to yourself.